Looking for a water filter replacement that actually delivers on clean, great-tasting water without the hassle? The Aquasana AQ-5300 replacement filters offer just that, an easy twist on installation, proven contaminant removal, and a refreshing taste that keeps you coming back for more. If you want water that's free from harmful chemicals, lead, and pesticides, while still keeping minerals like calcium and potassium, this is worth a look. I've seen plenty of water filters promise the world but fall short on performance or ease of use. The Aquasana AQ-5300 filters stand out because they're certified to meet NSF standards 42, 53, 401, and P473. That means they don't just remove up to 99% of 77 contaminants, including mercury, asbestos, pharmaceuticals, chlorine, and chloramines. They also won't leach anything back into your water. Plus, the sediment pre-filter extends filter life up to 600 gallons, which works out to just about 9 cents per gallon. That's healthy water that doesn't break the bank. Installation is a breeze. No plumber needed. Just twist off the old filter housing, swap in the new filter, and twist back on. The system even beeps to remind you when it's time to replace the filter, so you never have to guess. I've heard from customers who switched from bottled water after tasting petroleum-like flavors and never looked back. Their water tastes fresh, clean, and chemical-free, perfect for everything from morning coffee to cooking meals and even for pets. If you're already considering a filtration system upgrade or just want to keep your Aquasana running at peak performance, using genuine AQ-5300 replacement filters is the way to go. Untested replacements don't guarantee contaminant removal or system compatibility. With Aquasana, you get peace of mind and water that truly tastes better. And here's a tip. Signing up for Aquasana's Subscribe and Save program can save you money while ensuring you never run out of fresh filters. You can adjust the delivery schedule to fit your needs and keep your water quality consistent without lifting a finger. It's a simple way to maintain your health and your budget. Ready to enjoy ultra-delicious water that's both clean and mineral-rich? Try the Aquasana AQ-5300 replacement filters when you're ready. They make clean water effortless, affordable, and reliable. Your taste buds, and your family, will thank you.